So last time we finished with single whip. So last time we were here, we came out. And we were doing the moving hands like clouds. We went 1, 2, making sure we move our body, not just our shoulders. So we actually rotate through our torso. And then we went into single whip. So this time, take it out. And then we're going to do snake creeps down, come up, golden pheasant on left leg, and then golden pheasant on right leg. Both arms go out, center of gravity down, come in, left arm on the inside. Okay, let's repeat that. Snake creeps down. Golden pheasant, left leg, right leg. Come down, left arm inside. Lower your center of gravity. Snake creeps down. Golden pheasant, left leg, right leg. Come down, left arm inside. Lower your center of gravity. Okay, I'm going to change positions so I'm facing the other direction so it's a little easier to follow.